Gini coefficient. The Gini coefficient is represented by the area above the Lorenz curve to the line of equal income. So from the line of perfect equality to the Lorenz curve, in between those two lines is the Gini index. To figure the Gini index coefficient, we will first look at the area of the triangle located on the graph above. The area between the line of perfect income equality, which is this line here, and the Lorenz curve is A. So the Gini index is A, and the area underneath the Lorenz curve is B. So the Gini coefficient is A divided by A plus B. And to get this Gini coefficient then, it is A divided by A plus B. By looking at the formula, you can see that the answer will always be between 0 and 1. A Gini coefficient of 0 indicates perfect income equality. You would take 0 and divide it by 0 plus another number, and any number going into 0 is 0. Let's look at the Gini coefficients from the Human Development Report of 2004. As you can tell, Japan is closest to equality of income at 24, and Mexico is the farthest with equality of income at 0.54. However, you have to be very careful when looking at the Gini coefficient, as it just tells you which country is closest to equality of income. It doesn't tell you, though, the shape of the Lorenz curve, but instead just the area in between the dashed line of equality of income and the Lorenz curve. Notice that these two Lorenz curves are different in describing what percentage of population owns what percentage of the income, but they both have the same Gini coefficient. And all because Japan is closer to income equality than the U.S., does that make Japan better than the U.S.? A lower Gini coefficient index indicates that you are closer to the line of income equality than a higher Gini index coefficient. So if you look at these countries, these are countries of the world that are closer to the line of income equality than the highest ranking Gini index coefficients here of these countries, which means that they are farther away from the line of income equality. So if we look at different countries of the world, these are the countries that have the lowest Gini coefficient or index as compared to these countries that have the higher, meaning that these countries are farther away from the line of income equality than these countries down here.